Hello my friends, welcome to DIY Freeze Dry and my new setup. We've changed some things and I have my freeze dryer now set up in a more nice looking area of our basement. So we're gonna see how it goes in here. I am so excited to show you what we are going to be freeze drying today. You're not gonna wanna miss it. When I first got the freeze dryer, one of the things I've been dying to freeze dry are marshmallows. I found these cute rainbow marshmallows that I know my kids are gonna love, and I thought, how fun to try to freeze dry these. If you remember last time when we did Skittles, I found out about candy mode on our Harvest Right freeze dryer. So we are going to try that out today and hope it works with the marshmallows. I have no idea if you're supposed to do marshmallows in candy mode or regular mode, because, you know, I'm new at this, but we're learning together. So we're gonna try the candy mode because that makes it so much faster. If it's a fail, we'll redo it and do it on regular mode. So first thing, start the freeze dryer. The screen is gonna come on. And I am now going to show you how to put the machine into candy mode. Okay, these are our standard settings on the freeze dryer. To get it into candy mode, we are going to set the dry temperature higher. Once you hit 135, it tells you candy high temperature mode. I'm going to go up to 145. I think 150 is the highest it goes to. And you can do it between 145, 150. I don't know if it makes a difference. We're gonna set it there. Because candy mode's not freezing, I'm just gonna change this to 0. It doesn't really matter. Extra dry time, I'm gonna give it 1 extra hour. And then I'm gonna hit save. And now it tells you that you're in high temperature mode. I'm gonna hit start. We still are gonna wait 15 minutes before we can load our trays. Okay, I just wanna show you the soft texture of these marshmallows and then see how they turn out once we freeze dry them. My bag kind of ripped on me, but we are going to lay these out on the trays, and I think these are gonna puff up decently, so we are gonna have them kind of spread out. Okay, these look so pretty. I'm so excited for these. Here are our trays. I just kind of sorted them out by style. And after we do one run of these, we will see if they're too crowded or not. I don't know. Let's get these babies into the machine. Our 15 minutes are up. We're gonna close the drain valve and load up the trays. Okay. Drain valve is closed. We are going to shut the door and move on. Here's how they look all loaded up. We're going to hit continue. Sorry, I messed it up. Let me fix this. Okay, well, I'm glad you guys got to see my mistakes so that hopefully you don't do the same thing. I was supposed to toggle, there's a button for candy mode once after I hit start, and I forgot to do that, so I had to cancel it out. It's now making me wait the 15 minutes and then we'll start over. Hopefully this is right. Okay, we're back in business. This is the little toggle for candy process you want to switch to on. Bam! Continue. Continue. It wants to warm up the tray, so we'll hit start. We'll let it warm up for 5 minutes. And after they're warmed, it's gonna start the process. And so it's gonna run for 3 hours. At the end of the 3 hours, we will check, see how it is. I'll come in periodically and see if there's any puffage happening. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, our process is done. I have no idea if these turned out. They look exactly the same as when I put them in here. The test will be if they are crunchy. So let's find out. Okay, they definitely feel light and hard. I'm just gonna try one. Okay. That is super good. It's definitely crunchy. It kind of melts in your mouth after you start chewing. We will load these up and let the kids have a marshmallow taste test. So next I'm going to show you how I package up the marshmallows that are gonna go into our cute little candy bags. Okay, here's what we got left over for taste testing with my kids. Here are the ones we packaged up. I am going to seal them with my bag sealer, and they are gonna be ready to go to a store near you. An online store, but you know, if you like marshmallows, you have to try these. They are just I already said crunchy and airy and light, but then still like marshmallowy once you like start chewing them. That they're just fun. Anyway, let's go do our taste test. What time is it?
Marshmallow time.
Taste test time. All right, pick your marshmallow.
Can I break it?
No, I want you to take a bite of it. Okay, look at me. 1, 2, 3, go. How many thumbs up?
Trillion, jillion, zillion. Quadrillion.
What does it taste
Wait, no,
like?
a chameleon. A marshmallow.
Is it soft or crunchy?
Crunchy. Crunchy. This is like onions.
Yeah, onions.
He likes onions.
All right, so is this a winner?
Yeah.
Well, looks like marshmallows are a hit. Your kids are gonna love these, right?
Right. I can have two, so I get.
Thanks for following along this fun marshmallow journey. I was surprised that they didn't puff up. I thought they were gonna expand possibly, but they didn't. They kept their original shape. They just hardened and dried, and yeah, stayed like that. But still super fun, super tasty. We will see you on the next video so you can see what we're gonna freeze dry next. Make sure you're subscribing. Bye.